Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey there, fellow truck enthusiasts. Today, I'm talking about the best seat covers for Ram 1500 trucks. As a seasoned auto mechanic, I've seen my fair share of worn-out seats, and I know the importance of protecting your truck's interior. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the top seat covers available for your Ram 1500. Number 1. Looking for a way to protect your Dodge Ram 1500 seats while adding a touch of style? Look no further than the Weathertight 5-piece car seat covers. These covers are custom fit for the Ram 1500, ensuring a snug and secure fit. They're also easy to install and remove, making cleaning a breeze. Plus, the sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to your ride. Protect your investment and upgrade your interior with Weathertight 5-piece car seat covers. Number 2. If you're looking for a high-quality seat cover for your Dodge Ram 1500, look no further than Oasis car seat covers. These covers are specially designed to fit the seats of the Ram 1500, and they provide excellent protection against spills, stains, and wear and tear. What's more, the covers are made of high-quality materials that are comfortable and breathable, so you can enjoy a comfortable ride no matter the weather. We love the sleek and stylish design of these seat covers, which give our Ram 1500 a customized look that sets it apart from the rest. Overall, we highly recommend Oasis car seat covers for any Ram 1500 owner looking to protect and enhance the interior of their vehicle. Number 3. The Lucky Man Club D01 ZGJC seat covers for Dodge Ram 1500 are a game changer. These covers not only provide superior protection for your seats, but also give your truck a sleek and stylish look. The material is high quality, durable, and easy to clean, making it perfect for everyday use. Installation was a breeze, and the snug fit ensures that the covers won't slip or shift around. The attention to detail is impressive, with precise stitching and a perfect fit for every seat. Overall, the Lucky Man Club D01 ZGJC seat covers are an excellent investment for any Dodge Ram 1500 owner looking to protect their seats and add a touch of sophistication to their truck's interior. Number 4. Revamp your Dodge Ram 1500's interior with Hobie car seat covers. These sleek and stylish covers not only protect your original seats from wear and tear, but also add a touch of elegance to your vehicle's interior. Made with premium materials, these covers are durable and easy to clean, ensuring that your seats remain in top condition for years to come. With a perfect fit for your Dodge Ram 1500, Hobie car seat covers offer the ultimate combination of style and practicality. Upgrade your ride today. Number 5. If you're looking for a sleek and stylish way to protect your Dodge Ram 1500 seats, the Cars Cover custom fit car seat covers are the perfect solution. These covers fit like a glove and are designed specifically for your vehicle, ensuring a perfect fit and maximum protection. The high-quality materials are durable and resistant to wear and tear, and the modern design is sure to turn heads. Plus, these covers are easy to install and easy to clean, making them a great investment for any Dodge Ram 1500 owner. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Upgrade to the Cars Cover custom fit car seat covers today. Number 6. Oasis Auto car seat covers are the perfect addition to your Dodge Ram 1500. Made from high-quality materials, these covers are designed to provide maximum protection and comfort for your car seats. Not only do they keep your seats safe from spills and stains, but they also add a stylish touch to your vehicle's interior. The covers are easy to install and maintain, making them a hassle-free solution for keeping your car seats looking like new. With a wide range of colors and styles to choose from, Oasis Auto car seat covers are a must-have for any Dodge Ram 1500 owner looking to upgrade their vehicle's interior. Number 7. Looking for a stylish and functional car seat cover for your Dodge Ram 1500? Look no further than Balan car seat covers. Made with high-quality materials, these seat covers offer excellent protection from wear and tear, spills, and UV rays, while also adding a touch of style to your vehicle. The sleek design and custom fit make them a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car's interior. With Balan car seat covers, you can keep your Dodge Ram 1500 looking great and feeling comfortable for years to come. After reviewing the top seat covers for Ram 1500, it's clear that investing in quality covers can enhance both the look and longevity of your truck's interior. Whether you prioritize comfort, durability, or style, there's a seat cover out there to suit your needs. Remember to consider factors such as material, fit, and ease of installation when making your choice. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision.